Hello everyone, welcome to Philaburbia Weather's video forecast for May 24th, 2012. This is my site or YouTube channel. Here's the day overview for today, May 24th, 2012. This morning we started off with partly sunny conditions. This afternoon a few strong thunderstorms popped up around the area, and tonight it is humid and pretty nasty outside. It's going to be damp tomorrow as well. Tomorrow morning, watch for foggy conditions before much of the same as we dealt with today. I'd expect a few thunderstorms to pop up in places tomorrow afternoon, just like today. So, the 5-day forecast, and mostly every day this week, maybe excluding Saturday, we have a chance of thunderstorms. So, tomorrow, a chance of thunderstorms. Saturday will be the hottest day. Sunday, I'm keeping temperatures down. Now, I did say earlier this week that there was a chance that we could get into the 90s on Sunday. That isn't looking as likely, as the sun will not be out as much as I had planned it to be. So, Sunday will be sun and clouds, still with that chance of a late-day thunderstorm, as well as Monday, with more of a strong storm. Tuesday, much of the same, a little bit cooler, but partly cloudy with some scattered thunderstorms. So, that brings us to the radar from today, and we did have some strong storms today, especially around the Philadelphia region. I will skip to right around here. As you can see, this storm complex here stretched from Burlington County out here all the way to Delaware County, and this moved through pretty fast this afternoon and created some high winds, severe thunderstorm warnings, a hail observation or two, I believe, before it moved out. And by the time it moved out, it left us in pretty humid conditions. So the models, I will start with the GFS, and the GFS is showing a little bit more of a drier solution. It does show this tropical system out here. This actually, I'd expect, could turn into a depression or a tropical storm over the next few days. This will move this way, and you'll see what it does in a second, as it really takes a weird path according to the GFS. And it goes into Florida. It kind of phases in Florida before it moves out of Florida eventually, and kind of turns into a nor'easter-y, I don't even know, kind of type storm right here. This is likely not a correct solution, so over the next few days we will see what the models do with this storm, as these forecast models tend to have problems with tropical systems, especially in this area, in the Atlantic. It just don't, with all the cold fronts moving across, if something phases, this will phase with the cold front, or if it doesn't, it could do what the GFS is showing, which is back out to sea and turning and pretty much doing its own thing. The European model shows much of the same as the GFS, actually, crashing into Florida. Doesn't phase with the cold front, it stays separate, and it moves out and gets pushed out to sea here. So the cold front, speaking of this cold front will move through Wednesday time period, and I'd expect fairly strong storms on Wednesday. Not as strong as I think maybe for Sunday or Monday, but we'll see. Here are the Cape values. The convective potential energy. The higher the number values here, the more chance of a severe thunderstorm it will be. So it is showing for Sunday, actually Monday night looks like to be our day here, and the values look like to be in the 2,000, 3,000 range, which signify scattered strong storms in the area. So that's it for that. I will continue to update what this tropical system will do over the next few days. Here's a quick drought update. This was just released today. Of course, since we've had a lot of rain recently, the drought has been reduced to abnormally dry conditions, and I'd expect this area of yellow to get even smaller over the next few weeks into June, July. So here is the invest. This is the National Hurricane Center puts out an invest for any sort of tropical system that has a chance to develop. And this is, right now it is down in Florida right there. You can see the center of low pressure there. And this will move out and in and looks to create some problems for Florida and may even create some problems for our area as we have, the tropical moisture will be moving up into our area and will interact with the cold front moving across next week. So I do have a picture from the storm today, and this is what I took this afternoon. It was dark and it hit fast, and it was pretty intense. Strong lightning. It originated in Burlington County down here, and there were 60-mile-an-hour winds with some hail. So that was the severe thunderstorm for today. Tomorrow it could be in a totally different place. It could be up here, it could be down there. You really don't know where these storms will pop up. So that's it for today. Over the next few days, just keep an eye to the sky. If it's sunny and if it stays sunny throughout the day, expect some thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening, as we do have some instability in the atmosphere. Alright, well, that's it for me. See you all next time.